Hello, today I will show you how to personalize your game capture settings in Dungeonborne. First, go into the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape button on your keyboard or the menu icon in the top left corner. In the main menu, go into the settings. In the settings, go into the preferences section and scroll to the very bottom to the game capture section. Here you can turn on screenshot on def, you can modify your storage allocation, increase or decrease your storage load, and choose between the deletion methods. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.